Hi, this is Ramesh, working as a Java developer in Spyro group of company. We are going to explain ASM, a dynamic barrier-based approach to confirmation of deadlock from warning for large-scale multi-threaded programs. Abstract. In this paper, present ASN, a novel barrier-based randomized scheduler that triggers real deadlock with high probability. We exploit insight that in a confirmation run, the threads involved in a real deadlock should probably occur one or more set of flags prior to deadlocking. The ASN automatically identifies three interesting sets of such position. It guides thread participating in a given warning to stay at this position sets its turn. We are going to explain existing system and proposal system. The existing system is deadlock warning detection technique only report warning scenarios which may or may not be real deadlocks. The proposed concept is this paper presents ASN, the new class of active randomized testing scheduler to confirm real deadlock from warnings. The paper presents theoretical guarantee of ASN, which shows that a given warning is a real deadlock. ASN guarantee to manifest warning into a real deadlock under certain conditions. The existing system is technique is deadlock fuzzer. The proposed technique is ASN level. The technique definition suppose the dynamic deadlock warning detection technique has ran a program and guarantee full deadlock warning from it. The technique proposed technique definitions in this paper firstly monitor confirmation, then run against the confirmation barrier, followed by sufficiency barrier, and finally necessity barrier. It takes program B and a deadlock warning C as inputs. The existing drawback is suspending all threads at their deadlocking sites, only necessary condition to trigger the deadlocks. The advantage of proposed system is ASN either confirms more deadlocks from the benchmark shoot to triggers the same deadlock within a significantly higher probabilities than existing schedulers. The application e-commerce websites hardware recommends process a Pentium core, RAM 512 MB RAM, monitor 15-inch color, hard disk is 40 GB. The software recommend front end is Java Swing, back end is MySQL 5.5 and operating system is Windows 7. The tool is Eclipse. Architecture is the user can register or login is view for user home and view books or read books. So the admin is login update server or view threads view chart into the database. Thank you.